35.
180. What, 225?
225. So the first theta is 225. The second theta, follow up to here, 270. Then 315. Come on. In your calculator, press sine 225 and sine 315. Check if both of them gives you minus 1 over root 2.
Yes.
Both of them. So you just solve the equation within 0 and 360 by looking at the picture. No calculator required. All you need to know is this. And if you forget, just remember this coordinate and try to work it out yourself. Another way you could remember this is to imagine an isosceles right angle triangle of side 1 units. Side 1 or any odd number works. By Pythagoras theorem, this is going to be root 2. Yes?
Yeah.
This must be the way I explained in Form 3 or Form 4. This one.
Oh.
I must have told you isosceles right angle triangle of odd unit side. But there's no need to remember that now. Just use like the unit circle. So from here, do you agree this is root 2?
Yeah.
Equal side odd unit. So I pick 1. Then this will be root 2 by Pythagoras theorem. Sin 45, 1 over root 2. Can you see that? Cos 45, 1 over root 2. Can you see that? Tan 45, 1 over 1. 1. So if you don't remember this, remember this. If you don't remember this calculation, remember this. In any case, once you get to this point, the rest is easy. Understand?
Yep.
Now, let's see if there's a 45 in the... Did I bring a worksheet today? Yes.
About this one.
Where's the Elson's worksheet?
Oh,
Quickly.
I
Okay.
think this one.
Now, everyone, I want you to check. Now, pi over 4. The questions on pi over 4 only. So, look at question 1a. Question 1, oh, actually, everything in question 1 consists of pi over 4. Let's try to do that. Pi over 4 is the first one. 3 pi over 4 means 3 multiple. So you are counting 3 spaces from here. 3 pi over 4, this is 1 pi over 4, P1. The multiple is this substrate. Hello? So this is 1 pi over 4, this is 2 pi over 4, this is 3 pi over 4. This is 4 pi over 4, and so on, back to 8 pi over 4, which is 2 pi. Do you agree? So use this to answer those questions. And when you are going negative, it means you go backward. Yes? So without the use of calculator, can you just count like this and write the answer? Don't use calculator, please. Carolina, you're supposed to be picking your pen and be writing something down. You can't tell me you are thinking, there's nothing to think. All you have to do is count. That's all I want you to do. I'll draw a better diagram here now.
Wait. Yes, because it's all the same. It's
negative 180 plus
they're just different signs.
there you can minus 1 minus 1. So it is 180 minus 200. So you can multiply if you just do this, and you can find it by that. Yeah.
Just know that if anything 45, a multiple, I'm telling you, if anything is a multiple of 45, right, the answer to sine and cos is always 100% something plus or minus 1 over root 2. This don't use that. Well, unless you want to do tan 3 pi over 4 equals to sine 3 pi over 4 over sine 3 pi over 4. I'll do that.
Guys, let's complete this together. This is going to be 4, this is going to be 5. What are the coordinates here? Just like this one.
Negative 1 over root 2. Negative 1 over root 2.
And this will be P7. Yes?
1 over root 2.
Negative 1 over root 2.
That's weights. So what angle is this in terms of radian?
What? Pi over 4.
Okay, so weights. For this one, what angle is that?
3 pi over
3
pi over 4.
Okay. The next one, this one from the beginning up to here is what?
5 pi over 4.
And the last but not the least, which color have I not used? That one. No, I used that.
That's blue.
Blue. Okay. So we could go this way to here. So what's that?
7 pi over 4.
7 pi over 4. Okay. I just do the odd part. The even part is easy. Okay, but I'm just going to label the 0, 1, 1, 0, something. This is all we need to remember. Okay? Yes, continue.
Mr. Daniel?
Yes, sir.
I have a question.
Okay.
For the heat, right? It says negative 3. Okay.
You're going backward.
Yeah, I know. Yeah. Is it possible if I get confused, right? Could I just add 8 pi over 4 to it because it's the same, and then I get 5 pi over 4, and then I do this?
No, but what do you mean if you had
If I add 8 pi over 4,
8 pi over 4?
which is 2 pi.
Oh yeah, you can do that. You can do that and convert it back to the positive.
Yeah, because then I get 5 pi.
That's okay, that's okay.
I can do that, right?
You can do that.
Thank you.
Genius. 3 pi over 4.
Is it always
Yeah, but it's just the side of it.
Look at Alex. Invading my land.
Yeah, I'm invading a land. What are you gonna do about it?
I'm gonna invade your land. No, you're blocking. Yeah, invade your land.
I am
Is
up Thur canal board. Caitlin's birthday party is the same.
Yes.
Alright, come in.
Wow.
Are we done?
That was Signs of negative 4. It is negative. I agree.
Sister's birthday as well. Tell her I said happy birthday.
Tell her I said happy birthday.
Yeah, I know. I understand that you can't miss that one. Yeah. Just buy Caitlin a gift. Give it to me tomorrow, and I'll give it to her on Saturday.
180 times 3 is
Just give it to me tomorrow, and I'll bring yours and my gift to Caitlin. I'm gonna go like, Kelly can make it, but this is my gift. It's gonna be better if you give it to her on birthday party, so it looks like it's more gift. You know what I'm saying?
it's 45.
If you get confused by the last question, just add 8 pi over 4. Because you know how sine and cosine, you add 2 pi to the entire equation. Add 2 pi, which is 8 pi over 4. To make it 5 pi over 4.
Yeah, so it comes like, then you know it's
Please tell me you are done with question 1.
Yes, I'm done.
Shouldn't take this long. Can I have Elson's worksheet? I gave someone.
I think you give it to Alex.
Oh yeah, I think it's
Where that or you put it there?
For those of you that have already done number 1 while I'm trying to write something on the board, silence please. Can I ask you to look at question question 4. Look at question 4, then look at question 6b. Someone is still talking. Question 4 and question 6b. 3 minutes, please.
Question 4 and question 6b. Question 4 and question 6b.
Yeah, how do you communicate this for?
You're right. I wrote that.
Do not use calculator, please. Everything you need is on that board. 2 more minutes.
Find all the angles.
Question 6.
First 4 everything and 6b. Not 2 7. 2, 3, 1.
60 seconds to go.
here. No, question, no, just do the exact same thing you did for here.
So there's a rule where everything is cosine is negative. Right? So that's how you can.
Oh, Janice.
And big confusion. For black jaw or man. Yeah.
So confused with the negative part of this negative.
Give me 1 second. Let me shimmy my ass over there. Negative 3 pi, right? Instead of counting this way, you went this way 3 corners. How are you going to do Offense. Hence. Right? That way? Yeah, because
Okay, everyone stop. Because we have officially 3 minutes only. Joey, quickly. Everyone stop. You can go out if you are not ready to stop. I don't have time.
Okay.
So, we're just going to quickly do something similar for multiples of 30. 60 is part of these multiples of 30. So when we say multiple of 30, automatically we are talking about multiples of 60 as well. Alright? So, in IGCSE days, I told you to consider, does anybody remember how to do 60 degree? What triangle is best to consider?
Equilateral.
Equilateral triangle. You have to consider equilateral triangle or side even number, even unit. And I said, okay, we use 2. Then we did this, we found the height. Okay, this is 60 degree, automatically this is 30 degree up there. And we found the height to be root 3 in IGCSE days. We got root 3 here, 60 here. This is 2, this is 1 because we divided this into 2. Remember that?
Yes.
Well, if you don't, it's just quickly, easy something to quickly look at. Now, the idea is similar here. Suppose our OP moved through an angle of 60 degrees. So OP is here already. So that's going to be sine 60 and cos 60 in the coordinate. We can actually join this point to here. If you do that, clearly this is your radius 1, right? So clearly, if this is equal, if these two are equal, then these two base angles are equal. Which means they are what each? 60. So this is also 60 and this is also 60. And then automatically the length of this chord is 1. But we don't need that. That's none of our business. So from here, we can bring out that triangle 1, 1. We try to find the height, h. Or maybe we just call it height k. So h doesn't look like hypotenuse. Okay? Now, this is 1, so you agree with me this is going to be 1 over 2, 1 over 2.
Yeah.
Yes?
Yeah.
So by Pythagoras theorem, we can say 1 square equals 1 over 2 square plus k square. Yes?
Yep. Yes.
Such that our 1 minus 1 over 4 is equal to k squared.
Yep. Yep.
Then our k squared is equal to 3 over 4.
Yep.
And our k will be the square root of 3 over 4. So which means k is equal to what? Root 3 over 2. Now from that, we can draw a better diagram. One for 30 and one for 60. Maybe something like this. This is 60. I draw the same picture, same diagram, but consider 30 this time. Because if this is 60, this has to be 30.
Yes.
In each case, this is my k, which is root 3 over 2. This is 1 over 2. This is 1. 1, root 3 over 2, 1 over 2. Then we can find what is our cos 60, which is the first coordinate. What is that? Cos 60 is what? Speak louder and fast. 1 over 2 divided by 1, which is 1 over 2. Sine 60 is what? Root 3 over 2 divided by 1, which is root 3 over 2. Tan 60, we can look at it also from the picture. This divided by this. So you can see just this divided by this. So that's going to be root 3 over 2 divided by 1 over 2. So we can say root 3 over 2